Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste to all. I am Dr. Sandhya Lakshmi. Further to the talk series, Amaranmar Marangal Ayidunnu, I am here today to talk about a drug which plays an important part in our everyday life. Called as Haldi in Hindi, Manjal in Tamil, Manjal in Malayalam, it is going by the Latin name Curcuma longa. The use of turmeric dates back to around 4000 years in our Vedic culture, where it was used as a culinary spice which had some religious significance as well as medical benefits. Hindus considered it as sacred and auspicious and used it in almost all the rituals that they performed. The turmeric, called as a golden spice, is a staple item in the anjara petti of every Indian household. Very rarely does our Indian mother spare the spice from an item or a dish, not only for its flavor, smell or aroma, but also for its health benefits as well. Cultivated as a commercial crop all over India, it belongs to the Zingiberaceae family. It is a perennial, rhizomatous, herbaceous plant native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The whole rhizome is dried and used as a spice, whereas in Ayurveda it is used in dry or in a fresh form as well. Haldi-The, which is having Ushnaviryam and Katutikta Rasam in Ayurveda, is known to balance all the three doshas in the body. The active ingredient is called curcumin, which is known to have anti-inflammatory and it's a very strong antioxidant. Many studies prove its benefits to be as anti-diabetic, anti-cancerous and anti-asthmatic as well. It is used in treating conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, urinary tract infections, various skin diseases as well as conjunctivitis as well. In Ayurveda, we use it internally in the form of kashayam, lehyams or churnams, whereas externally we apply it as in the form of a lepam or even as used for fumigation as well. Haridra Kandam, Nisha Malakadi, Nisha Katakadi are few herbal preparations in Ayurveda which use Haridra as a major ingredient. Curcumin, which has antiviral as well as antibacterial properties, was used as an important drug in the treatment of COVID-19 as well. Hence, realizing the importance of this wonder drug, which is close to our country's culture and heritage, let us pledge to plant a sapling as many as we can for the healthy generation to come. Thank you.